Ninth standard social science, geography, unit 7, mapping skills. இந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் ஆன்சர்ஸ் பார்ப்போம். டெக் பேஜ் நம்பர் 227. Roman letter 1, choose the correct answer. First one, dash indicate the purpose or the theme of the map. Option A, title. Second one, standard symbol that are used in maps to convey a definite meaning are called dash. Option A, conventional signs and symbols. Third one, GPS consists of a constellation of dash satellites. Option B, 24. Then Roman letter 2, match the following. First one, the art and science of mapping. Answer, cartography. Second one, actual shape of the earth, geoid. Third one, Navstar, USA. Roman letter 3, consider the given statement and choose the right option given below. First one, assertion. The point at which the vertical and horizontal line of the grid intersect are called coordinates. Reason, the lines that run horizontally and vertically are called northings and eastings respectively. Answer, option A, both A and R are true, or explains A. Second one, assertion. The legend of a map does not help us to understand the information in a map. Reason, it is usually placed at the left or right corner at the bottom of the map. Option A is false, or is true. Then Roman letter 4, answer in brief. First one, what is a map? Take page number 220. A map is the basic tool of a geographer. It illustrates the Earth's surface clearly and effectively through a combination of drawings, words and symbols. Those maps form an integral part of teaching geography. A map is a location guide. இது வரைக்கும் ஃபோர்த் ரோமன் லெட்டரில் ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஷார்ட் ஆன்சருடைய ஆன்சர். Second question, what are the components of a map? Take page number 220. Components of a map. A map should include the following components, namely the title, scale, direction, grid system, projection, legend, conventional signs and symbols. இது வரைக்கும் ஃபோர்த் ரோமன் லெட்டரில் செகண்ட் கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர். Third question, the distance between two cities A and B is 5 km. It is represented by a line of 5 cm on the map. Calculate the distance and give the answer in RF. Answer, distance on the map is equal to 5 cm. Distance on the ground is equal to 5 km. Representative fraction, RF is equal to distance on the map or distance on the ground. RF is equal to 5 cm by 5 km equal to 5 cm by 50 lakh centimeter, then 1 by 1 lakh. Then so RF is equal to 1 is to 1 lakh. Then fourth question, mention a few surviving instruments. Take page number 223. Geographers mainly used chain, prismatic compass, plane table, dumpy level, Abney level, clinometer, theodolite, total station and GNSS to measure the distance, angle, altitude and position of the area of survey. இது வரைக்கும் ஃபோர்த் ரோமன் லெட்டரில் ஃபோர்த் கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர். Fifth question, define remote sensing. Take page number 224. Remote sensing refers to the observation and measurement of earthly objects without touching them. Remote means far away and sensing means observing or collecting information. இது வரைக்கும் ஃபோர்த் ரோமன் லெட்டரில் ஃபிஃப்த் கொஸ்டினோட ஆன்சர். Sixth question, what are the components of remote sensing? Take page number 225. Components of remote sensing. First point, energy source. Second point, transmission path. Third point, target. Fourth point, sensor. Very fourth Roman letter. Sixth question good answer. Fifth Roman letter, give reasons. First question, satellite imagery stimulate map making because all information is digital. It can be easily integrated with software for image improvement. Second point, it is the only way to obtain data from inaccessible regions. Then third point, it helps in constructing cheap base maps in the absence of detailed land surveys. Second question, map is the basic tool of a geographer. Take page number 220. Already second short answer எழுதுனீங்களா the same question. அதோட ஆன்சர் அப்படி எழுதிக்கோங்க. A map is the basic tool of a geographer. It illustrates the earth's surface clearly and effectively through a combination of drawings, words and symbols. Those map form an integral part of teaching geography. A map is a location guide. இது வரைக்கும் ஃபிஃப்த் ரோமன் லெட்டரில் செகண்ட் கொஸ்டினோட ஆன்சர். Third question, grid references are essential to find the exact location of places on a map because first point, the location of a place can be simply defined by its latitude and longitude. Second point, the points at which the vertical lines, eastings and horizontal lines worthing of the grid intersects are called coordinates. They help to find the exact place. Sixth Roman letter, distinguish between the following. Globe. A globe, a three-dimensional presentation of the entire world. It is not easy to carry. And second point, a globe alludes to the spherical shaped model of the earth. The differentiate பண்ணி எழுதிக்கங்க globe mapையும். Then map, a map is a two-dimensional presentation of particular regions of the world. It is easy to carry. Second point, it presents the physical features of a particular region on the earth on a plane surface. Second one, aerial photographs and satellite imageries. Take page number 225. Satellite remote sensing, aerial photography. இதை differentiate பண்ணி எழுதிக்கங்க. It allows global coverage and does not require permission. It covers small area and needs permission from authorities. Satellites circle the earth. They can repeat and revisit easily. Revisits or repeatability involves extra cost. Weather does not affect the functioning of satellite, adversely affected by bad weather. இது வரைக்கும் செகண்ட் டிஸ்டிங்யூஸ் பிட்வீனோட ஆன்சர். தேர்ட் கொஸ்டின், GIS அண்ட் GPS டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேட் பண்ணி எழுதிக்கோங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு GIS, Geographic Information System is a computer based tool for managing a large amount of data collected for a given geographic region through remote sensing, GPS and other sources. Second point, the Geographic Information System is a combination of computer hardware, software, geographic data and the personnel. Next one, GPS. First point, global position system technology has tremendous application in everything from mobile phone, watches, bulldozers, shipping, containers and ATMs. The main purpose of GPS is to help in providing accurate transport data. It helps in military searches and rescue in wars. It can work as a reliable tourist guide. Seventh Roman letter, answer in paragraph. First one, What do you mean by the term scale of the map? Explain its classification. Take page number 220 and 221. Scale. Scale makes it possible to reduce the size of the whole earth to show it on a piece of paper. Second point, a scale is a ratio between the actual distance on the map to the actual distance on the ground. Third point, scale can be represented in the three methods. They are the statement, representative fraction (RF), and linear or graphical scale methods. First one, statement scale. The statement scale describes the relationship of map distance to ground distance in words, such as 1 centimeter to 10 kilometers. It expressed as 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometers. Then second one, the representative fraction (RF). It describes the proportion or ratio of the map distance to ground distance. It is usually abbreviated as RF. It is started as 1 by 1 lakh or 1 is to 1 lakh. Representative fraction (RF), distance on the map by distance on the ground. Linear or a geographical scale. In a map, a linear scale is represented by a straight line divided into equal parts, primary and secondary, to show what these markings represent on the actual ground. இது வரைக்கும் 7th Roman letterல first detailed answer. Second question, write a note on directions with relevant diagram. Take page number 221. Direction. Maps are drawn normally with north orientation. North direction in a map is always towards the north pole of the earth. The first point. Second point, if you position yourself looking at the north pole, on your right will be the east, your left will be the west, at your back will be south. Then third point, these four main directions are called the cardinal directions. Then fourth point, direction is usually indicated on a map by north-south line with the north direction represented by an arrow ahead. இது வரைக்கும் 7th Roman letterல second question ஓட answer. இதை எழுதிட்டு இந்த diagram draw பண்ணிக்கங்க. Third question, explain the major uses of GPS. Explain about any one. Take page number 226. Advantages of GPS. GPS technology has tremendous applications in everything from mobile phone, watches, bulldozers, shipping, containers and ATMs. Second point, the main purpose of GPS is to help in providing accurate transport data, distance, route and direction. It helps in military searches and rescues in wars. It can work as a reliable tourist guide. Then third point, GPS helps during accident and rescue efforts, speeding the delivery of emergency services and disaster relief. Fourth point, weather forecasting, earthquake monitoring and environmental protection can be done effectively by using GPS. வரைக்கும் 7th Roman letterல third question ஓட answer.